I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to delivery day. Today, oh boy, do we have a treat for you. In my hand is the paperwork to a new bike that we are going to pick up right now. Actually, it's local and it's not what you guys are expecting. Now, you guys know that I've been talking the last couple days about delivery of two new motorcycles. Well, this is number 3 for motorcycles. We're getting ready to get into the Super Beast, and we've got the trailer in the back. We've got to hook up the trailer because I don't want to fight with getting this bike into the back because, well, I don't know the condition of this bike because I bought this bike sight unseen. Let's get out of this sun real quick. Now, when I say I bought this bike sight unseen, there is a local auction house here actually in Dixon, and I saw they had this trailer, actually a trailer up for sale, and I was looking at it for my cousin, and comes to find out they actually had a couple retired police motorcycles, and I accidentally bought one. So let's get the trailer hooked up real quick. Let me pay attention to the fences and everything. And let's talk on the way over to the auction house to pick this bike up. So this is definitely a on the whim kind of, I call these kind of accidents. So I was on this auction website because my cousin was looking for another flatbed trailer for his moving company, and I was searching through this auction website, and I see that they list some stuff on Facebook every so often, and they're local. We're going 3.5 miles away from my house. And if you guys know Dixon, it's a little teeny town. So I'm on their website and I'm perusing through, and lo and behold, they have 4 retired cop motorcycles, and I bought one. I wasn't really expecting it, but I was kind of watching the auction for about 8 hours or something like that, or it ended the next morning. It ended yesterday morning, and I thought at the last minute, you know what? It's a good enough deal that I'm gonna go ahead and take a shot at this. And they actually had 2 of the same identical bikes. One actually had more miles than this one. One had 900 miles on it and one had 700 miles on it. So I started to bid on the 900 mile one, and it went actually more than the one that I bought for 700 miles. And they're completely identical. They're actually from Stockton Police Department, and they're basically, like I said, they're retired motorcycles. So yeah, I ended up buying it, and so I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with this thing, but it's gonna be cool because it's the very first one of these. I've talked about one of these in a lot of my review videos. I've reviewed these before, but I don't know. So let's get over there and let's check this thing out and get it back to the house. I want to get on the lift for you guys today, and I want to basically go through the bike with you guys, so that way I don't want to ride. I just want to make sure that the bike's 100%. So let's go get the bike. All right, you guys, so we finally arrived, and without further ado, now, first of all, hold on. I've already been here once. I had to run home because I left in such a hurry. I forgot the trailer keys, and it's sitting right behind me. And with, you know what? I'm not even gonna bait you guys anymore. Here is delivery day of our brand new police motorcycle. That's right, we've bought a 2016 Zero DS, our first electric motorcycle in the collection, and it is a retired Stockton Police Department's bike. It's the big boy, so it's got the 13 battery on it, and I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to really expect with the thing. Like I said, I bought it kind of sight unseen, so We got to get the thing loaded up in the trailer. We'll get it back home. Let's get it up on the lift, and let's see how bad of a mistake that I just made with this Zero. All right, so we made it home just enough time to have a little bit of light and do a walk around of the new 2016 to me, new to me, DS0 retired cop bike. That's right, I bought a retired cop bike from Stockton PD at an auction, and I just rode it up the street and it runs, so that's a good thing. But without further ado, let's take a look at this thing. So 2016 DS, as you guys know, it's obviously an electric bike, and it was a cop bike, so you can see they actually put these little crash bars on there, which is actually kind of cool. But you can see they had some little lights that were mounted there. They've got some handlebars, some knuckle busters here. They also had some additional lights there. Looks like they've got some Pirelli knobbies on there, so some touring tires. And it came with the police bags. That's pretty cool. So it came with a set of bags. Man, I don't even know what to say about the thing. It's actually in pretty decent condition. Some of the things, obviously, they've left it wired. So I gotta figure this out. Do we turn this back into a cop bike? What do we do? It's got a whole bunch of accessories here. And this is where they plug in their little headphones. There's some stuff down here. I'm not sure what any of this means. I don't even know if any of this stuff. Oh, that's cool. So it's got a little accessory for the lights, and there's no siren. I was hoping for a siren, but we bought a cop bike, guys. We bought an electric cop bike of all things. So we are going to be getting this thing. I got to figure out what to do to it. So, do we make it a hypermotard? Do we keep it just a DS? Do we full-fledged like trail bike? I don't have a trail bike, but I don't know. It's an electric bike. I don't want to get caught out in the trails on an electric bike. Do we just chop it up and make a custom out of this thing? Or do we just sell it and make a profit and buy something else? Let me know in the comments down below, but I think we're gonna have some fun with this thing. So let me know what you guys think we should be doing to this bike. I kind of want to like make it a police bike again. Like put the lights on there and put a little siren on there. I think it would kind of be cool. I don't know. Maybe if I get a Harley or something, do that. But thanks you guys for sticking around for an unexpected bike day. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring that bell notification, because we have a garage full of motorcycles. We got 2 race bikes. We have an RS50 back here that we're building. We have an ultra rare HP2 Sport. We're getting rid of this because we have a brand new 2021 Ducati Multistrada coming. We are building an MT-03. We have an R3. You guys probably know the Ducati Street Fighter. We have a brand new Ducati V2, and we have an Aprilia Tuono factory. And now we have our very first electric motorcycle, which just happens to be an X-Cop bike. So thanks for sticking around, guys, and we'll see you next video. Bye.